Today we will study the digestive system. The different parts of the digestive system, the functions of each part of the alimentary colon, and identification of the different parts. Now we have the human digestive system. You see the picture over here, starting from the mouth, which has the tongue, which is also called the oral cavity. Then we have the esophagus. Then we have the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the anus. Now, here we will see the digestive glands. Okay. The digestive glands are the liver, the pancreas, okay, as you can see here. This is the stomach, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and we have the digestive gland, which is the liver and the pancreas here. The main parts of the digestive system are the mouth, the teeth and the tongue, the esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and the anus. The additional parts of the digestive system: salivary glands which secrete saliva, liver secretes bile, and pancreas which secrete pancreatic juice. What is an organ system? A group of organs working together to perform a common bodily function is known as an organ system. For example, the digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. The function of the digestive system. This function is to convert the food which we eat into a form which is acceptable to our body, to convert ordinary food substances into energy required by our body. What is the function of the mouth? In the mouth, food is chewed by the teeth and tongue. This mixes with saliva from salivary glands near the nose and throat. It is formed into a paste which is pushed by the tongue into the esophagus, and so digestion begins in the mouth. The function of the esophagus. Esophagus, also known as the food pipe, it transfers food from the mouth to the stomach. Now, this is the esophagus. This is your mouth or oral cavity, and the esophagus, the function of the esophagus is to take this food from the mouth and transfer it into the stomach. Now, the function of the stomach. In the stomach, food is churned and it mixes with gastric juice and is converted into a liquid. Here, the food is churned, it is mixed well with gastric juice and then converted into a liquid. The function of the small intestine. Food is digested here and it is in liquid form. Now here, food is acted upon by pancreatic juice, which is secreted by the pancreas, bile juice secreted by the liver, and intestinal juice secreted by the small intestine. So now we have the food in the small intestine. Okay, and here food is acted upon by pancreatic juice, okay, coming from the pancreas, bile juice, which is secreted by the liver, and intestinal juice, which is secreted by the intestine itself. The function of the large intestine. It absorbs food. It absorbs the liquid from the undigested food as it passes through the large intestine. Yeah, so the undigested food passing through the large intestine, and the function is to absorb the liquid from there. The function of the anus, the undigested food is passed out of the body through the last part of the digestive system, that is the anus. Now let us remember the parts of the digestive system. Okay, where does the digestion of food begin? Yeah, it begins in the mouth. Where is the food completely digested? I know you remember, it is digested completely in the small intestine. What juices are secreted in the small intestine? There's 3 juices: pancreatic juice, intestinal juice, and bile from the liver. What juice is secreted in the mouth? Salivary juice, or saliva. Do you know the function of the anus? Yes, the anus throws the undigested food out of the body. And what happens to food in the stomach? Food gets churned well. It mixes with gastric juice, and it is turned into a liquid.